Yo, what's going on, guys? Purple Cup again with another video, man. You already know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Go ahead and show some love. You can do that now. You can do it to the end. I am going to talk about my scat at the end of the video. You know, if you want to stick around and hear about it. I haven't been driving it much. It is drivable, but we'll talk about that later in a bit. Now, I want to let y'all know something. I really do. Look at this. That says 200. 200. What does 200 mean? 200 subscribers on YouTube, man. I appreciate all y'all. Much love. I asked for 2 on the last video, and I got my 2. I started this shit about a year ago, and don't get me wrong, there's been ups and downs. There's been moments where it's like, I don't even want to do this shit no more because, but I can't do that shit. Why? Because the subscribers that have subscribed, they subscribe for a reason because they like what I do. Yeah, I get negative comments by a lot of people. There's some subscribers that kind of told me, hey, you need to do this, you need to do that. And we learn, man. We learn with, everything we do. But now, I just want to tell y'all, I appreciate y'all very much. Now, let's get in the video. Remember, if you can't step on that thing, you can't drive that thing, man, just go ahead and pull over. Now, let's get in the video, baby. And guys, before we get into the video, man, make sure you click on the link for State Boys. Show them some love. They got the original video. I'm just reacting to the video. And remember, be safe out there. Alright, so if you don't know Mathews on my last video, he actually he can drive, man. His name is popping up a lot now. He's a good driver. So I guess they already got the call about the chase. So he about to butt in his. He about to tell him, look, I can keep up. I can keep up. This is another challenger. Mathews is coming. He hungry. He ain't playing. He coming for that ass. I think Mathews was already chasing him. I guess we're just now getting the footage. You know Georgia don't play either. They don't fucking play. Mathews is not going to let go of that pedal. And that's what that challenger needs to do as well. If you're going to get away, you cannot let go of that pedal. You got Bird or Mathews that I've done learned from the last video, he don't slow down. You go off-road, he going off-road. He's getting gapped right now. You know the patrols go about 140. That's a scat right there. You know, he's gapping them. Y'all gotta remember the shit that they go through. You put other people's lives in danger. Yourself, the troopers, the civilians. I say, your best chance to get away is gonna stay on that freeway. Just don't let go of that pedal. I don't see his ass no more. Bro, your shit fucked, bro.
Stop! Let me see your hand! Let me see your hand! 80 on foot, Atlanta, 80 on foot.
That dude done took off.
10-8 on foot. Do you have a description of the runner? He just dropped the gun, Atlanta, just dropped the gun.
Oh shit. See? That's what I'm talking about.
10-32 dropped.
Fast forward, I don't hear nothing. Oh.
Go ahead and set up on the keyboard. And I got a big eater out there, anything. 10-4, we're already getting them on the line. Atlanta, 1095, 1095. Let me NCO. 10-4, 1095, 10-4. Yeah, 10-4. 10-4, please, PD connecting. I got somebody out with me. UC or something. Give me just a second. 10-4. I got Chamblee PD out with me. 10-4, you still want us to call DeKalb County? Yeah, I got to recover a gun and figure out if his car is alright. Give me a record, please. 10-4.
I'm fast forwarding, by the way. I don't. Trying to figure out. I think he got away.
We're not about one taser deploy time 2. 10-4 taser deploy times 2.
Damn, that's crazy.
Then about 32 recovered. 32 recovered. 795. Can I get you to North Hill? I go down, turn around. I'm gonna be on the north. You say let me back to you. I'm walking in back. I won't try to go North Hill. I'll see if I can get to you. We're not far at this ramp. You gotta cut the blues on and coming the wrong way. It's gonna be alright. Not much traffic.
Oh no, they got my boy. They got his ass. There you go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, they got his ass. Oh shit. Hold on, look. I'm gonna run that.
We're not far at this ramp. You gotta go to the blue zone and come the wrong way. That'd be alright.
Oh shit.
Not much traffic.
Look, he right here. Right here. They got his ass. Alright, got his ass. Pretty much they caught his ass. So he was already he was running those fake license plates. Now the car, I don't know if it was actually his. If it was, I don't know why people do stupid shit like that. Either way, you lost your car. I'm glad you threw your fucking gun out, because throwing that gun out, I'm telling y'all, man, these cops, they face that shit every day. I mean, they don't know if they're coming back home with the bullshit that they have to go through, you know. It's sad, and same thing. I hope these, you know, I always say it on both sides. I mean, we're human, we do shit, but I hope you change, though. And if you get out, think about shit next time. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the charges are, how long you gonna be in jail, prison, whatever the hell you want to call it. You know, depends on your record. I mean, you had stolen license plates, you ran from the cops. You know, property discredit. I really don't know what the hell you was doing when you tried taking that turn. You fucked up. You should have stayed on that goddamn freeway. That's one thing. You really should have stayed on that goddamn freeway. You trying to turn going into the town. I mean, you was already gapping his ass on the freeway. Like I said, I mean, you can't step on that thing. You can't drive that thing, man. Just go ahead and pull over, because shit like that's going to happen. And Mathews, he would not stop, bro. He would not stop. I mean, on the last video, like I was telling y'all, man, the only reason why those guys got away, because he was solo. He couldn't get no backup to him. You got to watch that one. He stayed on their ass. I mean, shit. Even with this one. And it was a Challenger as well. The last one was a stolen Challenger. This is a stolen license plate, so when those they got these readers now. I mean, even in the state of Texas, they have those now. They can read if you have no insurance. I mean, you know, the whole 9 yards. Your registration's out. Old dude fucked up, and oh man, some people just do some shit like that. And the thing is, I mean, I didn't mention it on the last video, but I mean, if you're gonna do some shit like that, or you're gonna be out on the streets, bro, get you a radar, man. Get you a radar. I run the Red Line 360. And I'll tell you what, they'll pay for your ticket if they catch. I mean, if you get a ticket for speeding while you're using that radar, they will pay for your ticket. I haven't got a ticket of mine. I mean, I drive the speed limit legally, you know. I'm talking about speed limits now. Like I told y'all, if y'all want to stick around, y'all can. But about my scat, so I ordered something, and I've been doing my research on it. If you know, on the mufflers, they got these little actuator flaps. You know, they go out. My first one went out, and just for one, it's $500. My driver's side went out, and then my transmission went out after I replaced it. That had nothing to do with my transmission. Just saying, like, right after I fixed that, my transmission went out. And so right now I'm back on a stock transmission, which I'm going to install my stall back in there to get that running. I mean, it runs good, but I can tell the difference when the stall's not in there. It's a 2800 Special D, so the RPMs are just beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Also, what I don't like is my check engine light. Well, that's because my the actuator's out. So I bought these little things to bypass it, and I may put a video out for y'all to see if it really works, if it bypasses it. I mean, the only thing it's causing, it's not opening my flap. And when my car warms up and the cam is all warmed up, you can tell like that thing is struggling. And I don't like that shit. I really don't. I mean, you can't even hear. It sounds funny when you're gassing the shit out of it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna replace that. And then so when they installed my transmission, I feel like what they did, and I could be totally wrong, but the shaft that's, you know, sticking out of the transmission, I feel like when they stuck it in to the portion where the engine connects and the transmission's at, the rear main seal. I think they kind of like messed up the rubber on it. I don't know, because it's leaking between the transmission and the engine, right when they combine. And it's not transmission fluid, it's actually oil. And so it only does that when I'm driving it. I park it, it'll start leaking after that. I mean, but it's just a small drop. I don't like that shit. So I don't drive my car much. I mean, if I leave it parked there 2-3 weeks, I mean, whatever last drops it dropped after I drove it, it don't stay leaking, you know. So I'm hoping to fix that. I gotta take that shit to the shop. I mean, it's just, once you start doing shit to these cars, man, I'm telling you, it's always something is here and there. I mean, but the car's been running really good. I mean, it's been 2 years cammed. I mean, shit, can't complain. And it's not a daily driver. That's another thing. I guess that's why it kind of lasts a little long. But either way, man, I appreciate y'all again. 200 subscribers makes me feel so fucking happy, dog. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep growing, man. Means a lot to me. I'll catch y'all on the next video.